What is ACT-EU?
ACT-EU is a European initiative that has been jointly launched by the European Commission, EMA, and our Head of Medicine Agency in 2022 with the mission or the vision to create better, faster and smarter clinical trials in Europe. So the overall goal is to make the European Union a region that supports the clinical trial development and enable collaboration and innovation among the trial stakeholders. ATU is organized in different priority actions area, and among those, one is really important for us. This is the one dedicated to the support of academic sponsor running multinational clinical trial, and this one is fully aligned with ECRIN missions. And we are also involved in priority actions dedicated to the clinical trial regulation and to the multi-stakeholder platform advisory group.
What is the overarching goal of the multi-stakeholder platform advisory group?
The goal of the multi-stakeholder platform advisory group is to create a vehicle where all the clinical trial stakeholders can meet together with the regulators and creating a space where they can share vision, priorities, and ideas on how to create a common space for clinical trial in Europe.
What is your role as an academic representative?
My role as an academic representative is to bring the academic perspective into the group, to share our ideas, our operational advices to some initiatives. The multi-stakeholder platform advisory group had a meeting every 3 months. So as a representative of the academic sector, I'm also attending all those meetings where this is a good opportunity for us to share our views and our priorities. What is also important for me as an academic representative is also to promote ACT-EU. And for example, we invited ACT-EU representative to join our ECRIN meeting with the objective of promoting and increase the knowledge of ACT-EU at the national level in our community.
Can you share some of the work that you have carried out to date?
I have been involved in several activities. So, for example, in some of the focus group, we are actively participating in the one dedicated to improvement of the CETIS training materials. So it means that we are part of some meetings, we need to contribute and to give our perspective as users of this training material. We are also actively involved, again, in this priority related to the CTR implementation in the CETIS focus group, where our role is to gather feedback from the academic sponsor, academic community, and to share it with the group and the EMA. I've also been involved in consultation and survey, which objective is to once again provide our perspective as academic community on some specific topics. So the last one that we answered this year, where the first one was dedicated to the KPI, so key performance indicator, on how this ATU initiative is going to be evaluated in the next year. So this was very important for us to share our view and our needs, how we should measure the impact of this initiative to the academic community. We have also been involved in another survey which was dedicated to the training needs for the academic stakeholder. This activity is also very relevant for us, and we are very much involved and very much dedicated to provide our feedback and thus ensure that our voice is heard. Lastly, I have been involved in the organization of the in-person meeting of the multi-stakeholder platform, providing advice on the content and the topic that were discussed for the in-person meeting. This is absolutely key for us to be part of this activity and ensure for our community that their priority are discussed and presented to the whole community.